How to multiply and divide by 10, 100 and 1000. Do not do the bus stop method. When you divide or multiply by a power of 10, which is 10, 100 or 1000, you simply move your number down in the place value columns when dividing and up the place value columns when multiplying. I normally remember that when I divide by a whole, I make the number smaller, and when I multiply, I make my number bigger. But how many times do you move your number? That's simple too. However many zeros there are in the number that you're dividing by or multiplying by is the amount of place value columns you move. Let's take a look. 3.42 divided by 10. There is 1 0 in 10, so I move the place value columns 1 down, making it smaller because I'm dividing, giving decimal point 342. There's nothing in the ones column, and we always need a digit in the ones column, so I put the place value 0 down, giving an answer of 0.342. Next, 31.02 times by 1000. We are multiplying, and there is 3 zeros in the 1000. So I need to move my number 3 times up. I need to put a 0 as a place value holder, giving an answer 31,020.